Hello and good morning dear students. So welcome back to the online class. In the last class we were doing exercise 25. Today is 3rd of August. Okay, so let's start with our exercise 25. I'm starting with question number 6, evaluate. And I also hope that you have learned the formulas of complementary angles. Okay, if you haven't, please learn it by heart, write in a piece of paper and then proceed with this exercise. Okay, question number 6 part 1 is to evaluate this sum. Sin 72 by cos 18 minus sec 32 by cosec 58. I've told you in the previous class also, first please check the angles. You find out whether this 2, the sum is 90 or not. So 72, 18, 90, 32, 58, if we add it is 90. Okay, so we can change any one of them, the numerator or the denominator, depending upon your choice. Okay, so I'm changing the denominator. 18 degree I can write as 90 minus 72. See, everything is same. Cos is cos. 18 I am writing as 90 minus 72. Similarly here same. Cosec 58 as 90 minus 32. The reason is that 90 minus 72, cos 90 minus 72 will be sin 72. Cosec 90 minus 32 will be sec 32. On doing so, sin 72 gets cancelled out. Sec 32 gets cancelled out. So 3 into 1 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 which is 2. Okay. So in this way we have to proceed. See, nothing is there, just a simple formula of complementary angles. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Alright, so let us proceed with question number 6 part 2. Number 6 part 2, evaluate 3 cos 80 cosec 10 plus 2 sin 59 sec 31. Okay, so again 2 parts. This is the first part, this is the second part. You can clearly see 90 plus 80 plus 10, 90, 59 plus 31 is 90. Okay, so change any one of them. So I'm changing 80. I can write 80 as 90 minus 10 and I can write 59 as 90 minus 31. I hope you are clear till here. Now here and here use the formula. Cos 90 degree minus theta is sin theta and sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. I hope everyone is clear till here. Now from here to here what I am doing is I am using the reciprocal formula of sine. Sine is 1 by cosec, isn't it? Sine is 1 by cosec. So sine 10 will be 1 by cosec 10 and cos is 1 by sec, isn't it? So cos 31 will be 1 by sine 1 by sec 31. Okay, so on doing so we can see out here this and this cancel out, this and this cancel out. So very simple, 3 into 1 is 3 and plus 2 into 1 because everything cancels out, isn't it? So 2 into 1 is 2, hence 3 plus 2 is 5. Isn't it simple? So go line by line, pause the video and note it down. Okay, question number 6 part 5. The question is tan 55 minus A minus cot 35 minus A. Sorry, I think that this is plus 35 plus A, isn't it? So tan 55 minus A and cot 35 plus A. Okay. So here also I want to tell you, first focus on the angles. If we add these two, just the angles, okay. If we add this angle and this angle, are you getting 90? Obviously 55 plus 35 is 90, minus A plus A is 0. So hence if I add these two angles only, I am getting 90. So what I am going to do, in fact this and this are complementary to each other, isn't it? So in fact what I am going to do is I am going to change any one of them. So just 2 lines problem. Okay, pause the video and I'll show you the steps now. Alright, so now if you see in the board out here, this and this were complementary to each other. So I can change this 55 minus A as just the angles. Can I write in this way? So 90 minus within the bracket 35 plus A. You open the bracket, 90 minus into plus minus. So what is 90 minus 35? 55. And what is minus into plus? Minus. So am I getting 55 minus A? The same thing, isn't it? This I keep it as it is. Now use the formula tan 90 minus theta, keeping this whole 35 plus A as theta. Okay. So tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta, isn't it? This is my theta. So cot 35 plus A and minus cot 35 plus A. So what happens is this and this gets cancelled out and the answer is 0. It's very simple. Please pause the video, note it down. Alright, the next one we are doing is number 6 part 7. Look at the question. Cot square 41 by tan square 49 minus 2 sine square 75 divided by cos square 15. Okay, and if you look at them properly, numerator, denominator, just add the angles, it is 90, add the angles, it is 90. So you know what to do, change one of them. So keeping the numerator as it is, denominator I can write tan square, remember there is square also, let's write square. 49, can I write 90 minus 41? Obviously, and 15, can I write 90 minus 75? Everyone knows it, isn't it? So now, for numerator is as it is, denominator, for the time being, just forget about the square. You know there is square, but for the time being, forget about the square. And use the formula tan 90 minus 41. What is tan 90 minus 41? Cot 41, isn't it? Sorry, this is cot 41. Isn't it? And square also, so square. Right? Similarly, numerator as it is, cos 90 minus, again my mistake out here also, so cos square, forget about the square for the time being, cos 90 minus 75, is it sine 75? So sine 75 and then square. I hope you're clear with this. Pause the video till here. And now, this gets cancelled out, so hence it is 1, and minus this is cancelled out, so 2 into 1 is 2, so then my final answer would be minus 1. So pause the video and note it down. Right? Alright, we move to next question, that is question number 6 part 8. So question number 6 part 8 is cos 70 by 20, 59 by 31 and 8 sine square 30. By the way, what is the value for sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, so 8 into 1 by 2 square is there, so square is there. Okay, now you know the sum is 90, so you change the denominator as 90 minus 70, 90 minus 59. So sine 90 minus 70 is cos 70, sine 90 minus 59 is cos 59. This gone 1, this gone 1, and 4 1s are 4 2s are, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. So there's nothing to make understand out here. Very simple, very straightforward and easy. I hope you people have got this. So the solution is out here. Note it down. Pause the video. Okay. Alright. This is question number 6 part 9. 14 sine 30 plus 6 sine 60 minus 5 tan 45. Okay. Now do we know the values, boys? Because sine 30, if you don't know the value, you cannot proceed. Cos 60, don't know, you cannot proceed. Okay. So I have told you before also that table, standard table of 0 to 90, okay, of all the 6 trigonometric ratios, please do learn it by heart. Okay, clear? So sine 30, if you don't know, the value is 1 by 2. Sine 60 is also 1 by 2, right? Tan 45 is 1. So what to do? Just put the values, cancel it out. 2 7s are, 2 3s are, and 5 1s are 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Okay, boys, let's proceed with question number 8. Find angle A where your angle A must lie between 0 to 90. Okay, find angle A, and this value for angle A must lie in between 0 to 90. Not more than 0, sorry, not more than 90, not less than 0. Okay, we need to find the value for A. And in this question, 8 part 1, A is out here. See, it is sine 90 minus 3A. I can use the formula sine 90 minus 3A into cosec 42. So what will I do out here, boys, is I'll take this cosec 42 in denominator out here and see what we get. So I'll be getting sine 90 minus 3A is equals to 1 by cosec 42. I hope I can do this much. Everyone knows it, right? Okay. And now sine 90 minus 3A. What is sine 90 minus 3A? So sine 90 minus 3A is cos 3A, right? Cos 3A, which is equals to 1 by cosec. If you know 1 by cosec, is it sine? So it is sine 42. Sine 42. Okay. Focus it properly out here. Now here it is sine, here it is cos, here it is sine. Okay, I cannot cancel it. If it was cos, then I could have removed. So in this type of situation, what will I do is cos 3a, keep it as cos 3a, but sine 42. So can I write 42 as 90 minus how much? 90 minus 42 will be 8, and 48, isn't it? 48. So this will give you cos 3a. Is it equals to cos 48? I hope you are clear now. 42 as 90 minus 48, and sin 90 minus 48 is cos 48, isn't it? So once I get cos both the sides, then we can remove. Don't cancel it, just remove, okay? So on removing, you will be getting 3a is equals to, right? 3a is equals to 48 degree, and therefore a is equals to 48 by 3. Isn't it, boys? So therefore a equals to, you can cancel it 16 times, isn't it? 3 1s are 3 6 are 18. So a is equals to 16 degree. So which lies in this range from 0 to 90, isn't it? The value for a cannot be less than 0 and more than 90. So 16 lies in this range. Clear, boys? So in this way you'll do the second part also, which will be your homework. Okay? So that's it for today. I'm going to now write down here. By the way, copy this, note it down, and I'm going to show you your assignments. Alright, boys, your assignments for today will be question number 6, part 3, part 4, part 6, and question number 8, part 2, just the previous one as well. Okay, so complete this today's class video and send along with the assignments, this assignments by tomorrow. Okay, thank you.